Hi guys, Dan and Sarah here, .com Homestead. Sarah's got her little reindeers on. She's in the Christmas spirit, kind of. Today, we're going to make brownies in a jar. Great homemade gifts you can give out for Christmas. So let's get to this, alright? Hi guys, we're just making our Christmas goodies here. Got our board already done, got the first side already done. We've already sanded the edges, drilled a hole for the ribbon. We're doing real good. Now the back, we're going to put the directions. Let's get on with this. Using just a simple glue stick. Doesn't have to be fancy. Now once we put this on, make sure it stays, and we'll go through the rest of the process. Not a problem. We'll get there. And there's the back side of it. This is the front side. Just some homemade gifts for Christmas. Pass out to everybody. Okay? Alright. We got a few more to do. Got a bunch more to do, actually. But for right now, one at a time. It's a little tedious, but not a big problem. Just make sure you get plenty of glue sticks. Oh, the glue sticks I got at the dollar store. They had 4 for $1. So far, I've probably gone through about a half a stick. And yes, they'll stick to everything if you let them. Everything will stick. That. Once again, put it on the back. Rub it. And we'll get into the making the jars too. There's the front. There's the back. This will hang on the side of the jar, which you'll see. Alrighty, I'm going to finish this up. Okay, the next process we have is putting some ribbon around the lids, just for nice decorations. I have to go back through and check some of these. The glue didn't quite hold as good. You can see the glue there. It didn't really stick real good. Had to go warm it back up and redo them, which is fine. Just making them a little more festive for the season. This one's loose. You can see that one's moving quite a bit, so we'll have to re-glue that one. We'll just go through and redo them all, but just another step to getting them done. Alright, we're going to start stuffing these. Taking me a little while to get things all together here, but I think we'll be okay. We're using a wide mouth funnel. Gets inside the jars real good. First thing we're going to add is the sugar. Now they say 1/4 cup of the pure cane liquid dried. We're just going to use the regular sugar. Good stuff. Nothing wrong with it. We're going to hit this first in each one of these. We got 12 jars to make, so let's get started. Next comes some cocoa. That's what gives it the nice cocoa flavor. We got to get this put in. May not have enough for this batch, but we're going to find out. I ran out of chocolate. Need to get another canister. Now we're ready to go again. See what we can get. Okay, at this point I'm going to tamp them down a little bit. I don't want to mix them. I'll tamp them down a little bit so they're a little more even. So get everything else added into them. You can see they're looking pretty good. Yeah, not bad. Okay. Alright, sorry guys. Just that time of day that Sarah needs her treats. She's already gone through her. I think she's up to about 8 cups of food already, her regular food, her kibble. Now she's going to get some bacon strips with little hot dogs and some cheese on it. So give me a second here and let me get her set up. Alright. Okay, she's sitting there waiting. Her treat's right there in front of her. She will not get it until she's invited to. Alright, so let's see if we can see her get this. Alright, good girl. You ready? You ready? You get it, you get it. And there we go. Alright, let's finish up making these brownie mix. Alright? Alright guys, Sarah's had her snacks, so we're ready to add some flour. That's where we're at now. And yes, she's still looking for more food. That's okay. We'll get through this. We're doing good. Okay, next they call for salt. There's some salt in here. Yeah, a little salty. Okay, we'll put some salt. Okay, now before we do anything else, we got to get these tamped down, settled down quite a bit, so we can get the chocolate chips in here. We're going to go with the white chocolate, just because it sounds good. So let me get these all tamped down a bit, to where the chips will fit in, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, now it's time for the chips. The recipe calls for chocolate chips. Me, I'm going to be different. We're going to go to the white chips. How's that? So we're going to have dark brown brownies with white chips instead. See if we can get them inside the bucket or not. I don't know. Can't say yes or no. Oops. We got our scoop, because it's going to be messy. Let's find out. See where we're at. I think we can add a little bit more than that. Never have too much chips. Okay, we'll put that much in. Alrighty. We'll just start filling it up like this. I like this. We got a few bags of this, so we'll find out if it works or not. Okay. We may not get a whole bunch in there, I don't know. We're going to find out. We might get away with this. Alright guys, battery died. It's never any fun, but that's okay. Start here too. Okay, we just added the chips. My recipe calls for, you know, the semi-sweet dark chocolate chips, or chocolate chips, brown ones. I decided I'm going to go with the white. I think it would just add a nice color to the brownies after the fact. I think it'll come out all right. So now, all we got to do now is put the lids on them. And they'll be decorative. This is the last stop of this. We still got some more to do. Alright, we're gonna finish these up. Now this whole recipe and idea is not mine. Found it online. A lady called Melissa K. Norris. I'll leave her webpage down in the description so you can find her page, but she has the recipe. She's the one that came up with this. This is just my little twist. I'm watching her for quite a while. We've got our plaque. All we're going to do is just run this through the back. Get it through there. There we go. Okay. It's centered. there, stuff like this. This around it. There it is, nice and festive. The only thing we'll add to the top, we'll add a nice bow to the top, and then we're done. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Getting better at this. Sarah is outside playing at the moment. Enjoying her time outside. Temperatures aren't bad. So there you go. That's a brownie mix in a jar. My version. Like I said, Melissa K. Norris, I'll have her listed there. She's also got other recipes. Same thing, I opted for different things. I mean, I've got the sugar, the cocoa, the flour, some salt. Also, I didn't use the dark morsels. I used the white. I think it'll be an interesting brown brownie with the white dots. That's my version of it. But Melissa K. Norris has everything else on there. So please like and subscribe, guys. Sarah would really appreciate that. She really likes watching YouTube, especially all the dog videos. Until next time, guys, you have a Merry Christmas. I don't know if I'll get another video up before then, but Merry Christmas to everybody. I hope you have a very happy and safe holiday season. You all take care. Bye now.